Ever wondered if you can start a dropshipping business with absolutely no money? Well, I did it, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. No upfront investment, no inventory, just pure strategy. Let's get started. If you're new to dropshipping, it's a business model where you sell products without ever stocking them. When a customer buys your product, your supplier ships the item directly to them. That means you don't need to touch anything. That sounds great, right? Let's talk about it. Many people think you need a Shopify store, that is Shopify store, from day one. Guess what? I started on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Both are free to use. This platform already have millions of buyers, so you don't need to spend any money on adverts. Yeah. I use free methods to find winning products. One trick, I search TikTok for viral videos using hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. TikTok made me buy it. I'll put it in the caption. Yeah. Another method is checking eBay's sold listings to see what was trending, as in what customers buy mostly. These strategies cost nothing but can help you find products people are already buying. Yeah. Once I find a product, I simply copy the image from the supplier's website. I created a listing on eBay. I made sure to write a detailed description and price it competitively. No need to buy stock, no need to stock invent to that is no need to stock up. Just from supplier, from customer to supplier, supplier to okay. Only when a customer orders, I place the order with my supplier and they ship it for them. Sounds great. Yeah. To get my first sale, I use organic traffic. eBay and Facebook Marketplace already have buyers searching for products, so I optimize my listing with good keywords. So, yeah. I also shared my listings in Facebook groups related to my niche. Within a few days, I got my first sales, and that's when I knew this worked exactly. So, if you want to start dropshipping with no money, here are the top tips I can give you. Use free platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Start with that one first. Then, secondly, find trending products using TikTok and eBay sold listing. Yeah. Then thirdly, list product without buying stock upfront. Don't try buying stock. If you have the warehouse or you have the ability, you are capable, you can do that. But me, I cannot. So my own is dropshipping. Customer pays me, I buy from supplier, supplier shift to the customer, I take my money. Basta. So, number four, use organic traffic instead of paid adverts. Yeah. Number five, be patient. Small, small, be calming down. Sales will come. You might find it difficult that when you start earlier, but along the line, you start selling. Yeah. And that's exactly how I started dropshipping with no money. Oh. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye.